Circles. Hello friends, today we are going to study about circles. This is a circle. Now let us learn the radius, diameter and chord of a circle. First let us learn about the radius. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius. Plural of radius is radii. The spelling of radii is radii. Now friends, I will show you how to draw a radius. Now friends, let us learn what is a chord. A line joining any two points of a circle is a chord. Let me show you how we draw a chord. This line is joining any two parts of the circles, so it is called a chord. A chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. Let me show you how we draw a diameter. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. Now friends, let's learn how to name a radius, chord, diameter and center. So I am going to name the center O. So the center is O. So segment OB is the radius. So segment O and B is the radius. Now I will name the chord. Chord A, segment AC is the chord. Now we'll name the diameter. DM, so the diameter is segment DM. Line starting at one point and ending at another point is called a segment. Use a compass to draw arcs and circles, but in this lesson I am only going to show you all how to draw a circle with a compass. We also call a compass a rounder. Now let me show you all how to use a compass. First we would loosen this screw, then use a small pointed pencil and put it through. Remember, we don't have to remove this screw, we just have to loosen it. Now align it with this point. And then tighten the screw. Now friends, we are going to learn how to draw a circle of the radius 4 centimeters. So we are going to take our compass, put it on 0 centimeters. It has to be exactly on 0 centimeters. And then bring the pencil till 4 centimeters. Now friends, I am going to draw a center point, and then now I am going to put the pointy part of the compass on the center point. Hold this part of the compass and move it around. Now friends, with the ruler I am going to draw a diameter and radius. So if you can see, this radius of 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to draw the diameter. So the diameter would be 2 times the radius. So we are going to add 4 plus 4, which is 8, to know how many centimeters is the diameter. The radius is 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to name everything. The center is O, A, B, C. Radius is segment OC. The diameter is AB. This is equal to 4 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters, because 4 plus 4 is 8. Friends, the diameter is equal to radius multiply by 2, and the radius is equal to diameter divide by 2. So friends, if they have given you in one sum the radius, using this formula we can find the diameter. In a sum, if they have given you a diameter, using this formula we can find the radius. Now friends, we are going to solve the sums of problem set 29 of our textbook. In problem set 29, we have to use the formulas I taught you all earlier. So the first sum is, if the radius of a circle is 5 centimeters, what will be its diameter? So the radius is 5 centimeters. So the diameter will be equal to radius multiply by 2, which is 5 into 2, which is 10 centimeters. So the diameter is 10 centimeters. Now friends, we are going to solve the second sum. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeters, what will be its radius? Now in the exam, you don't need to leave so much lines. You only have to leave a line, but then so that you all can see better, I have left many lines. So the second sum is, if the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeters, what will be its radius? So the diameter is 6 centimeters. So the radius will be diameter divide by 2. Now just so that you all can understand, I am going to do the division here in the side. So 6 divided by 2 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 centimeters. So the answer is 3 centimeters. Now friends, I am going to complete these tables with those formulas. So to find the diameter, we have to multiply the radius into 2. So 4 2s are 8. So diameter will be 8 centimeters. Here they have given us the diameter. So diameter divided by 2 will give the radius. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 centimeters. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18 centimeters. And 22 divided by 2 is 11. Now friends, let us learn the interior point, exterior point and points on the circle. Interior point, as the name is, interior means inside. So the points inside the circle is called interior point. The points outside the circle is called exterior point, and the point which is on the circle is called points on the circle. So now let's solve this sum. So the interior points are point X, O, R, K. The exterior points are C, I, and the points on the circle are P, E and W. The length of the border of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. So if I remove this circle and make it into flat thing, then the circumference of this circle would be 11 centimeters. So the circumference of this circle is 11 centimeters. Arc of a circle means breaking a circle into 2 or more parts. So if we break this circle into 2 parts, the 2 parts would be called the arc of the circle. Now friends, I have given you all some sums to solve. I will like you all to solve these sums, and I will display the answers of these sums in the end of my next video. Now friends, in my earlier video I had given you all some sums to solve. I have written the answers of the sums, but in the first 2 sums I did not give the answers because you couldn't measure the angle with the protractor from the computer or the phone, or in whatever device you are seeing. So that's why I've only given the answers of this is parallel lines and this is perpendicular lines. Friends, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Ananya's Maths Corner. Bye friends.